For generations, the world's finest fragrances have been crafted from rare flowers, exotic spices, and delicate musks. But at Thame Workholding, we know the true power lies in the unmistakable aromas of the workshop. Introducing 3 bold new scents, inspired by the machinists who make the world turn and who, let's be honest, always smell like cutting fluid anyway. Precision, strength, an unshakable layer of workshop grime. This is engineering, bottled. The Apprentice, the fragrance of learning things the hard way. Mistakes were made and now you smell like them. A terrifying yet nostalgic scent, capturing the pure panic of pressing cycle start without double checking the offsets. Base notes include a mix of burnt fingertips, confused silence, and the unmistakable scent of your supervisor's disappointment. Comes in a convenient spray bottle, except you're probably holding it backwards and now it's in your eyes. Ode to coolant, the essence of engineering. Why fight it? It's part of life now. Feel refreshed and slightly damp with the signature blend of water-soluble coolant and workshop air. A raw, masculine blend of evaporated coolant, airborne metal filings, and just a hint of mystery algae from a tank you definitely should have cleaned weeks ago. Guaranteed to attract fellow engineers, confuse your partner, and possibly even set off the workplace safety alarms. And finally, Swarfen Musk, the fragrance of the workshop. Be the man who smells like he works for a living. No more showering away that authentic machine shop aroma. Now you can wear it with pride. A musky blend of hot metal, cutting fluid, and that one rag every engineer refuses to throw away. This fragrance might attract pigeons, forklift drivers, and unexpected overtime. With each of these fragrances, you may not always feel confident, but you will always smell potent. Contact the team for more details.